Hi everybody, welcome to We Don't Die training session.
This is how I roll, animal print pants out control. It's Red Bull with the big ass bro, and like
Because when she stops paddling, her boat will start turning. I'll put the shrimp in circle as soon as I stop paddling. That boat will turn. So, the number one rule, always follow, is keep paddling. Forward, up to your toes, paddle. You want to reach forward at your toes and bring up at the left. In doing so, you're going straight. Release when it's after the paddle, after your hip. This will keep you going straight. The most important thing in kayaking is to keep your center of balance. If you lean too far back, you go over. If you lean forward, you stop the moment. I'm going to fall. You got to fall. Okay? Got it? Good. Better hands. Many people, not recommended, sometimes not. If someone is to hit you by bumping into your boat, the most important thing is not to grab their boat, but instead to lean forward in your boat. This will prevent you from going over, and more importantly, prevent any damage, less than chance of damage to your sides if the boat comes and gets you at the side of the river. When in doubt, use your brakes. In this boat, if she falls over, she just needs to fall out. Underneath the boat, and come right up to the top. Okay? I'll demonstrate on this one. Go over, I'll right back up. Then I got right back up. I hit 3 times a very distinctive sound in a swimming pool area. Rescue boats and everybody, when they hear that sound, stops paddling. That means I have to rip out of their boat.
When life gets you down, you know what you gotta do?
I don't want to know what you gotta do.
Just keep paddling. Just keep paddling. Just keep
Paddling, paddling, paddling.
What do? We
Paddle, paddle.
Dory, no singing.
Dory. I love to
Paddle.
Dory.
when you want to
Paddle.
See, I'm gonna get stuck now with that song. Now it's in my head.
Sorry.
Oh,